We generally say that Dhritarashtra was very attached to Duryodhan, and that attachment to him cost him, the whole war was there because of the attachment to his own son. But the question is, why was he attached? He was attached because he was inferior. He was feeling low about himself and he never faced it. He never invoked his inner strength. And when one does not do that, when one feels weak, what will one do? One will cling. Naturally, one will cling to feel some strength, some support one wants. So emotionally, he was clinging. All our attachments stem forth from a feeling of inadequacy somewhere. Because the nature of attachment is that I plus this object is equal to happiness. I need to depend on something for my happiness. By myself, I am not happy. Now that feeling is what makes one cling.